Let's take a quick look at how to find the Bush and Jones text. If you go to the Ingram Library homepage, West Georgia's Ingram Library, you can link from West Georgia's homepage or just go directly in through a search. Type in the title of the work in the blank line at the library search page, Tales Out of the School Library. Enter. And the text is found. This is Tales Out of the School Library. This is the book edition. Tales Out of the School Library, the ebook edition. If we click on this link, we now have all of the information that we need. We can look at the PDF full text, or you can download the text. I recommend, if you want to look at the PDF full text, you can do that through West Georgia, or you can look at the table of contents here and examine each section there. If you click on each one, you have to log in to the database with your West Georgia credentials. And you'll then have access to the entire text. You can click on each part of that. Click on the down menu and you can see everything that's in every part of the text. So your options are you can either download or you can scroll through on the screen the entire text through Ingram Library. If you have any questions on this, please be sure to let me know. Thanks.